Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
If your heater won't turn on, check the following. 1. Ensure the thermostat is set to heat and the temperature is higher than room temperature. 2. Check the circuit breaker for any tripped switches. 3. Inspect the pilot light or igniter for gas heaters. 4. Ensure filters are clean to allow proper airflow. If these steps don't work, consult a technician as it may indicate a more serious issue.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.